आज हम फोकस करेंगे कॉर्पोरेट लॉ पे। 4 कंपोनेंट्स ड्रेसिंग में होने चाहिए। वेरी रिफाइंड, वेरी पॉलिश्ड, वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड, वेरी सक्सेसफुल।
इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपका जो लुक है वो बहुत फाइन होना चाहिए।
स्टाइलिंग जो है ना, इट्स डिक्टेटेड बाय योर बॉडी टाइप। सोफिस्टिकेशन कलर से आती है। आई वुडंट से दैट यू शुड लुक लाइक ए मॉडल इन GQ मैगजीन, बट यू शुड लुक वेरी स्टाइलिश।
A corporate lawyer in his dressing than other lawyers.
फाइन लाइन यही है कि यू शुड लुक वेरी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड।
Multinational company को target करना है.
Particularly targeting a multinational company, then you should look like you are a lawyer from America or Europe.
Welcome to Dapper Lawyer and I'm your host Numan with Ali Aslam, Sidra Iftikhar Bhatt and Zainab Farid Khan. And today we will talk about the dress code of a corporate lawyer, and right now we have none other than Hamid Saeed. He's an image consultant from New York and he will tell us about the basic dress code of a corporate lawyer. Sir, welcome to our program.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for inviting me here today. I'm very happy to be here.
Sir, if we look at the past, अगर हम कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना को देखें, नेल्सन मंडेला को देखें, इब्राहिम लिंकन को देखें, they are the finest person in terms of dressing. How important is it कि एक lawyer जो है वो stylish होना चाहिए? You know, he should be fine in his term of dressing.
Oh, it's very, very important. Actually, इससे पहले कि हम dressing की बात करें, there are a couple of things that I would like to say. Let's get it off the back. देखें, पहली बात तो ये कि lawyer को ना, you know, he should be, obviously he should have a degree, he should be educated, and at the same time he should have experience, and he should have passed his bar exam, whatever it is. Because many times I'm asked when I talk about dressing, they say, oh, लेकिन लॉयर को तो नॉलेज होना चाहिए, लॉयर को तो कॉम्पिटेंट होना चाहिए, यू नो, सो दैट शुड बी गिवन, आई वुड से. तो हैविंग सेड दैट, नाउ लेट मी कम बैक टू यू नो कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर. First I want to tell you a little bit about my background. I'm from New York, but more importantly I've been doing professional dressing and personal branding for a lot of professions, और जिसमें कि lawyers जो हैं उन पे मेरा बड़ा focus रहा है, and I have a deep knowledge about that. जैसा कि आपको पता होगा, अमेरिका में डिफरेंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हैं, आई एम श्योर पाकिस्तान में भी हैं. देयर आर कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर्स, देन देयर आर क्रिमिनल लॉयर्स, एंड देन मैट्रिमोनियल, एल्डर लॉ, एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन. तो आज हम फोकस करेंगे कॉर्पोरेट लॉ पे. तो कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर जो है ना, फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई थिंक ही इज़ प्रॉबली, अगर हम उसको हायरार्की में देखें ऑफ लॉयर्स, आई थिंक इज़ वे अप देयर. You know, I mean, he's working with corporates, obviously. And so I would say that he has a very important function, important job to do. तो उसमें उसकी जो dressing है ना, I would say कि उसमें 4 components dressing में होने चाहिए. First of all, he should look very, very refined. He should look very polished. He should look very sophisticated. And lastly, he should look very successful. ये 4 I would say कि ये वो messages हैं. I mean, obviously, you cannot go into a meeting with a corporate, environment and say to his client that I am successful, I am credible, I am refined, I'm polished. People don't talk like that, and I don't think that anybody's going to accept like that. So what's left there? How are you going to communicate these messages? And my belief is that, you know, you're going to be communicating it through your clothing. And so we'll talk more about that, how to get those messages out.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका जो लुक है वो बहुत फाइन होना चाहिए. मतलब कि बीइंग अ कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर, व्हेनेवर समवन इज़ गोइंग टू सी यू, तो उसको एक इंप्रेशन जाना चाहिए कि मेरे सामने जो पर्सन खड़ा है वो पढ़ा लिखा है, क्योंकि आपकी पर्सनैलिटी जो है वो बहुत इफेक्टिव होती है व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग द फाइनेस्ट क्लोथ, यू नो.
Exactly. Let me explain what refined means and what sophisticated means and what successful means. अच्छा, अब refined का मतलब क्या है? I didn't say fine, I said refined. ठीक है ना? Refined का मतलब ये है कि जैसे एक suppose let's say कि एक फर्नीचर का पीस है, ठीक है ना? वो एक फर्नीचर है और दूसरा एक एंटीक फर्नीचर है. तो एंटीकी फर्नीचर क्या लगता है? बड़ा refined लगता है. So this is a very fine line that how you do it. But basically, the way that you get these messages is that how you're going to put your color combinations, how the fitting is going to be, how different elements of dressing they're going to play a part. And then, if you, let's say for example, your colors hain, if the colors are right and they look good on the person, And the second thing is that if you know the fitting is according to his body type, because some people are tall, some people are heavy, कुछ लोग heavy हैं, कुछ लोग tall हैं, कुछ short हैं. So I would say कि styling जो है ना, it's dictated by your body type. So when you put all these things together, then you can get a refined look. Sophistication color से आती है. For example, if somebody is wearing a loud color, I don't think sophistication is going to come out of that. तो आपने जो darker colors हैं, that will create sophistication. और refinement आनी है कि you know how nicely it sits on your body, nicely how it's fitting. ये तो नहीं कि collar बहुत खुला है या collar बहुत तंग है, shoulder जो हैं बहुत बड़े हैं, shoulder, you know, the fitting has a lot to do with it, and then obviously the fabric and how it drapes and everything, and that makes it a complete look.
Sir, the fine line you just mentioned, sir, what is that fine line that differentiates a corporate lawyer in his dressing than other lawyers?
Okay, that is, I believe that is the sophistication and the refinement. Agar if you are coming out of the gate, let's say for example, आप नए attorney and you know you just started out, you know you don't have that kind of experience and you don't have that kind of like you know even resources to look like that. Fine line यही है कि I mean you should look very distinguished. You should look very experienced, very successful. You should not look like somebody that who just is coming out of the gates and starting out his business. Because when you're going to be dealing with, you know, with corporate entities, they will expect that you should be your look like that.
सर अगर किसी लॉयर को मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी को टारगेट करना है तो उसको क्या करना चाहिए, मतलब हाउ ही शुड लुक एंड द ड्रेस कोड कैसा होना चाहिए?
ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि आई वुड से कि जितने भी कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर्स हैं या कॉर्पोरेट फर्म्स हैं, दे वुड यू नो लाइक टू गेट मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज एज देयर क्लाइंट. और मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी देखें, यू आर डीलिंग विद फॉरेनर्स, यू डीलिंग विद पीपल दैट हु यू नो आर फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज एंड एवरीथिंग. वहाँ पे जो ड्रेस कोड उनका है ना, आई थिंक दैट समवट यू शुड फॉलो दैट. You know, if let's say for example in America, if you are, let's say, a corporate lawyer, I mean, you know, there are certain ties that you're not going to wear. For example, only power ties will work. Any paisleys, any you know soft ties, anything which has motif, anything which has flowers, it's not going to work. So you have to have a serious tie. I would wear a white shirt. I mean, I'll definitely go for white shirt क्योंकि जो sophistication and power look है ना, वो आती है white shirt के साथ. I mean, you know, lawyers are used to wearing white shirts anyway, so I don't think there is a problem there. लेकिन white shirt की वो fitting है, वो नहीं चाहिए. I would say कि उसकी look जैसे G7 में presidents हैं ना, you know, if you take out you know all the presidents pictures ले लें आप पिछले 10 years की ले लें, you will see that power look, that refined look, that sophisticated look. And I think that will cut it for being a corporate, you know, let's say if you're going to against Nestle or Coca-Cola or company. And I tell you one thing, another, you know, big caveat there or caution I would say. कई लोग पता क्या करते हैं, वो समझते हैं कि अगर corporate जहाँ जा रहे हैं, अगर वहाँ casual environment हैं, तो they would rather, you know, wear casual clothing or somewhat casual. I would not do that. I would go there very, very well presented, and you know I will look the part. And so I would say that if you are particularly targeting a multinational company, then you should look like you are a lawyer from America or Europe.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था आपसे कि हमें डिफरेंशिएट ड्रेसिंग में कैसे करना चाहिए, बीइंग अ यंग लॉयर और अ सीनियर लॉयर. इनकी ड्रेसिंग में थोड़ा डिफरेंस हो सकता है, तो उसको आप कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे?
देखें, दो चीज़ें हैं इसमें. एक चीज़ तो ये है कि you know certain things come with experience and certain things comes with like you know as you progress in your career. But main thing is this, that your presence, you know, the way that you put your things together, I would go back to again the colors. I would go back into like it should be very finely tailored. I mean, obviously, if somebody coming out of the gates, you know, he will not probably pay attention to that. He probably won't have resources to do this, or he might think that's not important. ठीक है ना? अगर आप established already हैं, and I think that you should, just like you want to have a nice car, just like you want to have a nice house, just want to, you know, I'm obviously a guy who's coming out of the gates as a new lawyer, he will not be able to afford all that. But, you know, all the amenities which goes with the clothing, I think that an established attorney should go for that. Also, another angle is that it should look updated. It should look contemporary. It should not look very old-fashioned.
Sir, can we justify one color for corporate lawyers? One color?
Yeah.
Yes.
I will tell you this. Let's go with the hierarchy of colors, okay? It's very important to know. सबसे पहली बात है कि black is the most dominant color and the most power color, and that's why probably the lawyers wear that black suits. And then after that comes the navy color, which I'm wearing. So let's say, for example, if you are a corporate lawyer and you're going to go, let's say, target a corporate, multinational company, I would say navy will be your best next choice. Because navy is the color, it has authority, but at the same time it has also approachability. Means that, look, I am who I am, but at the same time talk to me. You can talk to me. यानी इसमें वो intimidation नहीं है, जैसे black में intimidation है. So I would say navy के एक दो shades हैं, darker जितना रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. But make sure that you don't go into like royal navy, which is like I would say fashion color. Stay away from that. तो navy की जो darker tones हैं, I would use that. I would again use white shirt. I mean, white shirt के बारे में मैं corporate में ये कहना चाहूँगा कि even though that you may have all the colors, I mean, everybody can wear most of the colors they can wear. But in the first meeting, when you're meeting a corporate client, I would definitely use white shirt, and make sure that the tie is the right tie. It's not a cheap looking that polyester tie. It's not wrinkled, and it doesn't have stains on it. I mean, I've seen crazy
And
things.
sir, what about for females?
Yeah, I would say, okay, here's another myth there. Wherever I go and wherever I do, I'm doing a lot of seminars and I'm doing a lot of presentation to the law firms and I'm doing a lot of presentation to colleges, universities, and everywhere. And there's a mixed crowd, women, men. मेरा मानना ये है कि I believe in this that whatever works for men, that works for women. मैं उसका आपको एक proof देता हूँ. You take out most powerful women in the world. Pull out their pictures from Google. You will see that they're wearing the same colors as men. So, I mean, it's not a coincidence. I mean, this is by design. Even आप देख लें, और दूसरी बात है solid colors हैं, plain colors में हैं. Nothing prints. Prints I think are kind of, they are distracting. Men के लिए और there are a couple of things I want to say about corporate lawyer. Nothing should be distracting. कोई ऐसी lapel pin नहीं होनी चाहिए. Not too many things. He should not be wearing, rings, and he should not be wearing jewelry, and he should not be wearing, some people do that. Matching should be perfect. The socks should match with the shoes, or with the pants, the color. Also, the belt is very important. I've seen a lot of attorneys. They make that mistake that they are wearing a very nice suit, very, like I would say, power suit, a serious suit, but they're wearing casual shoes or they're wearing casual belt. So there are, those are things that you have to really take care of that. Also, the width of the tie, I've seen that, I mean, you have to be with the times, what's really happening out there. I wouldn't say that you should look like a model at GQ magazine, but you should look very stylish. Because, if you look stylish, then what it means is that you are updated. That means that you have updated information. And, all companies want to deal with people who are, they have, up-to-date information.
What a healthy discussion about the dress code of a corporate lawyer, and next time we will talk about more like criminal lawyer and more things that we do in our law field. So stay tuned with us for next series of episode, Dapper Lawyer.